Maybe fourth graders. This is using there, and there on page 249. So your assignment is actually 249 through 250, but I'm going to split the videos into two different parts. So if you need help on 250, then look for that video, okay? It will be in a separate video. All right, let's get started. So what's the difference between these three there words? Let's look at the first one, T-H-E-I-R. So this there is a possessive pronoun, shows ownership. Just like the other possessive pronouns we learned about, like it's and your. Okay, same thing with there. It also shows a possessive pronoun. It shows that something's owned by something else. Here's an example sentence. Americans love their country. So whose country? So Americans, the American country, Americans country. Okay, so yeah, country is owned by the Americans. It's what they love. All right, let's look at our next word. So they apostrophe re. This there is a contraction for they are. If I put they, if I put the words they and are together, I would get there. Same thing as it's, right? It's is it's plus is, and your or you apostrophe re, which is you plus r put together. And an example sentence is they're the friendliest people ever. So if I'm able to replace there with they are and the sentence still makes sense, then I know to use they apostrophe re. Okay, so instead of saying they're the friendliest people, if I change there to they are the friendliest, they are the friendliest people. That still makes sense. So I would use they apostrophe re. All right, let's go to our next one. There, There, is an adverb telling where. Okay, there describes where something describes where. Okay, or says where. Okay, so for example, I have never been there. All right, since this there is talking about a place, telling where, we would use there, and it's the adverb for been. Okay, so it's describing been. I never been what? I never been there. Okay. So if you're talking about a place, you would need to use there. Okay. Before we go over some example questions, I came up with just three simple tests to do to figure out which there you're using. So for the first thing you should do is use the they are test, just like how we have the other tests, like we had the what was it? There was a UR test, and we also had what was the other test? It is just like how we had like the UR test and it is test. We also have a they are test to see if I can use the they apostrophe re. So in the blank, use they are, and if it makes sense, use there. They apostrophe re. Okay, and if if it doesn't make sense, then you would go to the next step, number two. Um, if talking about a location, use there, there. All right. If the sentence is not talking about a location, you would go to the next last step. If it's talking about possession, use there, there. If it's talking about someone owning something else, you would use this form of there. All right. Let's go over some example questions. Number one, home is close. So you should just use the they are test. So they are home is close. Does that make sense? No. Okay, so then I'll go to the next step. If talking about location, use there. Is this sentence talking about a place? Yeah, it's talking about home, right? Since it's talking about location, I would use there. Okay. Nope. That's sorry. That's actually incorrect. Since it is talking about location, but it's talking about whose home. It's talking about their home. So you actually use there. Okay. Their home is close. This is a little bit tricky. Sorry. Yeah, this test is not perfect. But since it's talking about, a possession, um, something that someone owns, so their home, the home that's theirs, he would use this there. Okay. Next one. Number two. I went blank but couldn't find it. So let's use the they are test. So I went they are but couldn't find it. Nope. So definitely not this form of there. Let's do the second one. It's talking about location. Okay, I went blank, but I couldn't find it. Yeah. So I went there, but couldn't find it. Since there is referring to a place, you would use this form of there. Okay. Yeah. All right. If they don't come home soon, blank's going to be in trouble. Let's use the they are test. If they don't come home soon, they are going to be in trouble. Yep, makes sense. So let's use this form of there. There, yeah. All right. All right, so I'm gonna think of another example for there. This number one. So let's see. Their blank toy is lost. All right, so you wouldn't use this form of they are there since they are toy is lost. Does it make sense? Is it talking about location? No, it's talking about doesn't have location for this part. Doesn't have. It's not talking about a place. All right. Is it talking about a possession? Blank toy is lost. Yeah. So I see toy. So I would use this form of there. Their toy is lost. Since the toy is owned by them, I would say their toy is lost. All right. Okay, let's go over the worksheet, page 249. Okay. So you're writing either there, there Their, or there they apostrophe re, or there There in the blank. Okay, so blank solutions to these problems are incorrect. I'll make this smaller so that we can see the other thing I wrote and this at the same time. Okay, all right. Let's use the they are test first. So number one, they are solutions to this problem are incorrect. So definitely not using they apostrophe re. Okay, so this is use the next step. Is it talking about location? Blank solutions to this problems are incorrect. No, don't really see. A, the sentence doesn't really talk about a place. Okay, if talking about possession, use there. All right, so blank solutions to this problem are incorrect. So yeah, so solutions is the possession. So I would use this form of there. Okay. Yeah, it's possessive pronoun. It shows whose solution it is. All right. Okay, let's do number two. The Harper's painted blank house a light blue color. So the Harper's painted they are house a light blue color. No, it doesn't make sense. The Harper's to the next step of talking about location. Is talking about a place? The Harper's painted blank house a light blue color. It is talking about a place, but a house is a place, but it's not talking about um, you know the sentence is already talking about a place, so it's probably not that there. Okay, so the second one, the third step, if talking about possession, use there, Their. The Harpers painted their house a light blue color. Yeah, it's talking about whose house they painted. They painted their house. Okay. Yeah, I know this method is not perfect, but I definitely would use this form of there because the Harpers painted their house a light blue a light blue color. So if I wrote this there, that would mean they painted two different places. They painted there, like over there, and they painted their house, which doesn't really make sense, right? Yeah. Okay, so number 3. Blank going to Arizona for... Sorry, it's kind of covered now. Blank's going to Arizona for blank's vacation. Okay, so they are... This is a they are test. They are going to Arizona for blank vacation. Yeah, so they are makes sense. So I would use they, apostrophe re. They are going to Arizona for whose vacation? Their vacation, right? The possessive form of their, for their vacation. Because this there answers whose vacation it is. Whose vacation is it? It is their vacation. Okay? I wouldn't say for their vacation. That makes it sound like they're going to two different places. They're going on vacation for their vacation. Okay? Alrighty. Let me cross that out. Alright, you can do the rest. For think B, all the following sentences contain errors. Underline the error and write the correct word in the blank. Okay, so their soccer ball. Sorry. Okay, so their soccer ball flew over the fence before the boys could catch it. So, alright. So you're pretty much just looking at all the their words, okay? And I guess for every one of these sentences, they use their incorrectly. So you can just automatically assume every time they use their, it's incorrect. Sorry, let me adjust this real quick. Okay. The students display their, sorry, number 1, their soccer ball flew over the fence before the boys could catch it. So this there is incorrect. This there is talking about location. Their soccer ball is, does that make sense? Is there where the soccer ball flew over? No. For this there, they want the possessive form of their. Like whose soccer ball is it? It's their soccer ball. So the possessive form of their is which one? This one, right? T-H-E-I-R. T-H-E-I-R. The pronoun there. Number 2, Joy and Riley. Joy and Riley prefer their pizza with black olives. So this is definitely the wrong there because this is they are, right? They apostrophe R-E means they are. So Joy and Riley prefer they are pizza with black olives. Definitely does not make sense. So are we looking for the possessive form of there or the location there? Joy and Riley prefer their pizza with black olives. Whose pizza is it? It's their pizza. So what's the possessive form of there again? Yeah, so it's T-H-E-I-R again. All right. Number 3, there are several countries in South Africa. So there is R owned by there? No, doesn't make sense. So this is the possessive form of there. This is incorrect. So which one are they? Which there are they looking for? Is it they apostrophe R-E or T-H-E-R-E? Okay. All right. I'm not going to do any more on this worksheet. If you have any questions, you can always, ask me. All right. Take care.